It's been more than 84 days that I got my first dose of vaccination. Today I'm going to get my second dose. I didn't even realize that days passed so quickly. The place right now I'm standing is Diksha Bhumi Nagpur, from where I got my first jab. When I got my first jab, neither I had fever nor body ache. This time also I'm hoping the same, that I wouldn't have any such kind of body ache, physical illness. As you can see, this place is so spacious. And there is no such huge gathering of people. As you can see, this place is so spacious, big hall. I just got vaccinated. We have to wait here for 10 minutes. We are under observation. When I came here first time to get my first dose of vaccination, that time there were many people here and gathering of people. But this time there is no such gathering of people. I saw something over here. Can you see this post? Which is related to mental health. I just want to read it. So this post is about effect of aerobic exercise on mental health of junior college girls. Now the chart is also given here. Aerobic group, non-aerobic group. Yeah, adjusted means scores of mental health. Aerobic exercise is an activity that uses large muscle groups and maintained continuously with rhythmic pattern. Aerobic exercise is the keystone of fitness. It increases the capillary network in the body, It enhances physiological, physical and mental health. So there is a basically comparison between aerobic group and non-aerobic group. These results help to interpret that the effect of aerobic training program was found to be effective in improving mental health of the college girls of aerobic group compared to non-aerobic group. Conclusion: effect of 8 weeks of aerobic training program intervention has potential benefits to improve mental health of college girls. Wow, so beautiful these ducks are. They are having food. Yeah, just see what food they are eating. Can you see?
They're eating their
Grain, I can see grain.
They're eating grain. They like
Wheat, rice and dal. Yeah, I can see wheat, rice and dal. What do you see?
I can see they're eating something, but they're eating dal.
Yeah, dal, wheat and rice.
And rice.
Okay. I think they are done with their food.
No.
I think they are done with their food. They want to go back. Here, having their food, and some ducks started going back.
Their food, they're eating. Now they're going now.
Okay. See their legs. Okay. They are also done with their food. Now they are going back. Okay, bye bye ducks. Bye. Say bye bye to them. Okay, they all went inside.
But
They all went inside. Let's go.
look,
Some ducks are still outside.
but that is ducks.
They are going in the ponds. There are 2 ponds I saw. There are 2 ponds.
Where are the ponds? I hear some. Hey!
Now they again came back.
Then they will go back. This one is my duck. This all my duck and mommy's duck. I love duck.
You love duck?
Yes.
I love them too.
I will come next time here again.
Okay, again you want to come here. Why?
I want to see again ducks.
Okay, you want to see them again and again.
Yes.
But it would not be possible for us to come over here
When
again. See, whenever you miss them, definitely we would come here.
no, I miss all them. Look there. I can see the bird. Which- Look, there is a hen. Water. They're drinking water. Very.
They are bright.
They're white.
Just stand and sit.
No, I cannot see him. I with the duck, then they will fly.
They will fly.
Yes, we should not do ducks. We should not touch ducks. We have to only see, not touch. Where is the green duck? I've seen him.
Ooh, the 2 ducks, they are very different. Brown duck. Come. Say bye bye.
No, I'm not going.
Yeah, now we are going now.
No, I cannot leave. Not leave.
Say everyone bye bye. Come. Where?
Here. Can you sit?
No, don't sit there. We don't have permission to sit over.
But this is only a little.
No.
Please, please. Please, Vasudha.
What if someone sees you?
No, no one will see.
They will scold you. You don't need to sit there. Swaraj, they are also came to have their food. They want to go back now.